In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make vertical scroll Figma easy. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're new to Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in. Once you're in, open your design file. This can be any project where you want a scrollable list or content area like a feed, a menu, or a settings panel. Take a moment to prepare your design. Decide which part of the screen should scroll and which parts should stay fixed, like a header or footer. Now, let's make a frame inside the shape or area that you want to be scrollable. The frame acts like a viewport, meaning it shows a window onto content that can extend beyond its boundaries. You can draw a new frame with the frame tool or place the frame inside an existing shape to match your layout. Next, create a rectangle. This rectangle will represent one item in your scrolling content, such as a card or a list row. Style it however you like with fills, borders, or text. When it looks good, duplicate it as many times as you want to create a vertical list. You can duplicate quickly using your keyboard shortcut or by holding a modifier key and dragging, and then stack the copies vertically with consistent spacing. When you're done duplicating, highlight all those rectangles. The easiest way is to drag to select them on the canvas or select them in the Layers panel. Now drag the selection inside your frame. You'll know it's inside when the layers nest under the frame in the left panel. This ensures the content is part of the scrollable area. Click the frame on the left side to make sure it's selected. On the right side of the interface, switch to the Prototype tab. Under Scroll Behavior, choose Vertical. This tells Figma that this frame should scroll up and down during the prototype preview. Think of it as enabling a vertical viewport for the content you just placed inside. Now click Preview to see the result. In the presentation window, try scrolling with your mouse or trackpad. You should be able to move through your duplicated rectangles smoothly. If it doesn't scroll, double-check that the content extends beyond the frame's height and that the frame itself is the selected object with vertical scroll enabled in the Prototype panel. That's it. You've created a clean vertical scroll in Figma the easy way.